Carlos, what do you think? She needs help with water.
We're trying to get to a light, a train stopping by pretty close to us. The Canada train. It comes down into Minnesota and we're gonna go and check it out. I smell cookies and they smell really good. It smells like Christmas up in here. Did you make some cookies? Yum, 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 yum. Say cookie.
Cookie.
Cookie. Cookies and then lights. We're gonna go see some Christmas lights, huh?
Your hair's still wet.
Say cookie and Christmas lights. So the cookies had to go back in because they're not quite done. And Braylee is a little antsy about the cookies, so we put on a countdown timer for her to see. It's at 1:36. She watches it pretty intently. One of these videos we're gonna talk about how we taught her the timer. You watching the timer? 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15.
Hey guys.
We're just waiting for the Christmas train.
Are you excited?
I'm gonna test out this hole. Because I think me and Braylee are gonna watch it from going through there. Braylee, you wanna watch the moonroof? I think it'd be fun. Look! Your foot's stuck. Ready?
Oh, her hat. Her hat's falling off, Dad. You can't see her face.
We're just waiting for the train on top of the car. It's gonna come from that way. I know. Are you excited to see the train, Braylee? This is gonna be fun. The train probably coming from down this way. Do we have our headphones? Cover your ears. Look, look.
Was that fun?
Did you have fun?
Did you see train with lights?
So we went up there and of course I spaced out that trains are loud.
And out of excitement it's gonna be going wah, wah, wah.
So in anticipation I told Braylee a few times to cover her ears. And she didn't cover her ears, but once the train got close she did. She didn't panic at all. She actually seemed pretty happy about the whole situation. The sounds and the lights, though, may have been a little overstimulating.
With the cold.
With the cold, but at the same time, she's laughing.
She's still excited.
Yeah, she was laughing up there. She was enjoying the whole thing. She never got upset about it. So just a lot at once. It's the overstimulation plus I mean, she's excited about it all, but it's just a lot to take in.
That's what I was saying. Like sometimes it's overexcited with stimulated, and it's both.
Yeah, which can lead to some. Like we've seen like this lead into meltdowns before. So we'll just have to give her a good quiet way to calm down, and we'll do that on our drive home. We'll keep everything quiet for her.
And she's been pretty whiny today in general. I don't know exactly what's up with that, but that could be contributing too.
Yeah.
But I think overall it was good that we came and saw it.
Yeah. I think part of it is a storm system.
Yeah. Well, and the train is stopping, guys, down the road, and they're gonna have like little events and singing and music and stuff. But we didn't want to do that because I think that for sure would be too much for her.
Yeah.
So we just do little modified versions of events when we can too. Today when we went to pick Braylee up from school, one of the other kids was in the front room area, and I told Braylee to wave to her teacher bye, because that's something that they're working on. And the little girl waved bye from the bench, and she was sitting there with her hand, and so Braylee tried to high five her because I think that she thought she wanted a high five. And then the other teacher was like, yeah, she likes hugs. So we said, Braylee, give her a hug, and they hugged. And that was so neat that Braylee's now kind of, willing to do that with other people. And the fact that she even noticed that the other little girl's hand was up and tried to high five her without being asked, that was pretty cool. Don't you think?
Mm-hmm. Gaining those social skills.
Yep.
All right, guys, time to head home. I was just editing the video, the newest Vlogmas, and I decided, hey, it's been a while since I've recorded down here. It's been a while since I talked a little bit. So I actually just have a question for you guys. As I was going through this video, I was thinking, I wonder if anybody, any of our WeFam, #WeFam, has any video ideas. Like, is there anything that you have questions about that you would like us to make a video on? Or is there just videos in general that would be helpful? I am going to put up a timer video, how we taught Braylee, who is nonverbal, a little bit of echolalia. How did we teach her with poor receptive communication? How did we teach her timers? And I'm going to make a video for that. I know we have quite a few new subscribers. Thank you so much for following along with us. If you have any questions, comment down below. We'll do a Q&A video coming up soon. If you don't know us, if you want to get to know us a little better, just ask some questions. We're always happy to answer questions. If we do not answer your questions right away, chances are it will be in the next Q&A video that we have. Thank you guys for watching again, and subscribe if you're new here. Click the like button, and we'll see you tomorrow. Have a great night.